I hope this is clear for you, addition and subtraction. Okay. There are some properties, some rules pertaining to addition and subtraction that we will do after finishing our exercise 2.1. Before proceeding to exercise 2.2, we will learn some properties, some rules of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now don't think of it. Okay. Now our next motto is finishing exercise 2.1. This you know, na? Don't forget. Shall we proceed with exercise 2.1? Okay, this also I am rubbing. Operations of integers, you know what all to learn now. Properties also. Okay. Exercise 2.1. First one. What is the first question? Write all integers between minus 10 and 5. You know it very well now. See, this is the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write all the integers between minus 10 and minus 10 and 5 they are telling. So it is say minus 10. So answer will be what? Between minus 10 and 5. तो बीच का integers लिखना है. Start from minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 0, comma 1, 2, comma 3, comma 4. So these are the integers between minus 10 and 5. Okay. Now exercise 2.1, second question. What? Write the predecessor as well as successor of the following integers. 56 and minus 205. Now predecessor means to the left, successor means to the right. Predecessor पहले, P for predecessor, P for पहले, पहले का number. Similarly, successor means next number. Okay. So this is the number line 0. This is say 55, 56, 57. 57 is the successor, 55 is the predecessor. पहले का. So predecessor is 55, successor is 57. In this case, minus 205, minus 204, minus 206. So the one which is to the left is predecessor, छोटा वाला. See, negative में number is big, it is actually a small number. So this is predecessor is minus 206, successor is minus 204. Do you get me? Simple, very easy. Okay, till now everything is easy. Now third question of exercise 2.1. Write the absolute value of each of the following. Now they are telling minus 15, minus 29, minus 67. I am not doing, you will do it yourself. 0, 70, 10. Okay. What is absolute value of minus 15? The rule of absolute value says that the answer is always the numerical value here. What is the numerical value here? 15, 29, 0, 70, 10. Irrespective of the sign. Sign अंदर का देखो ही मत, plus हो या minus हो. Just write the numerical value. That is the answer. Finish. Okay. Now suppose minus 29 absolute value is 29. Suppose if I am asking you 29 का absolute value क्या है? Again it is irrespective of the sign. Answer is 29. Opposite integers है inside the absolute डब्बा. Inside the absolute dabba, opposite integers hai, but the answer is same 29. Okay. Now we come to fourth question. Represent the following integers on the number line. Oh, this is too simple. You have to do it yourself. Now 5. Fill in the blanks using less than, greater than or equal to sign. Wherever possible, less than डालना है, greater than or equal to. Now first one. 12 minus 6 is dash 6 minus 12. This is the first one, A. Now, evaluate it. What is 12 minus 6? This is what you learnt in the earlier classes. 12 से 6 गया तो 6. What is 6 minus 12? Here is a challenge now. One is positive. See, there is no sign means it is always considered as positive. 6 को कोई sign नहीं है, so it is considered as plus. एक plus है, एक minus है. What does our rule say? एक plus एक minus रहेगा तो minus करना है. 12 और 6 का difference is 6. और कौन सा साइन डालना है? बड़ा नंबर का साइन डालना है. रूल सेज बड़ा नंबर इज 12, उसका साइन इज माइनस. सो नाउ व्हाट इज 6 and minus 6? Naturally 6 is to the right of minus 6. 6 is bigger. Moreover, it is a positive number, it's a negative number, bigger. So 6 is greater than minus 6. So first answer is greater than. Okay, this is how you do. Now second one, B. 24 plus minus 16 dash minus 10. Again here there is a catch. 24, you are adding minus 16 means it is subtracting minus 16 itself. Because plus into minus is minus always. So it is minus 16 dash minus 10. Okay. 24 minus 16 is how much? 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So it is 8. Minus 10. So this answer is 8 is greater than minus 8. ठीक है? Now next one. C. C is 7 into 8, 50 minus of minus 6. 7 8s are 56. 50 minus of minus. See, in multiplication, we have not come across that. We will come across, okay? Minus into minus is always plus. 50 plus 6. So that is 56 equal to 56. So this is equal to. Okay? D. Oh, this is a simple sum. Minus 115 is dash 105. Naturally, negative number है, positive number है. It is always less. Right? Minus 115 is less than 105. So that finishes our fifth question. Now we come to exercise 2.1, sixth question. What they want? Arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means chadta. It goes above the staircase. So we have smaller number first and biggest number last. So the question is minus 9, 4, 5, minus 4, 0. So smallest number first means start with negative numbers. Negative में सबसे छोटा पहला देखो. So negative में whenever you want to find a छोटा number, it is always a bigger value with minus sign. Because you are in the negative area. So minus 9 and minus 4 are two negative numbers. Which is smaller? Minus 9. Minus 4. Ascending. Now we are ascending. Now we are coming to 0. Now coming to positive numbers. Positive numbers में 4 and 5 है. Which is bigger? 5 is bigger. So write 4 first. So smallest first, biggest last. So this is the answer. Second one. B. This is A. 6th A, 6th B. 6th B में what they want? Ascending order of 35, minus 86, minus 27, 65 and minus 44. Correct? Now ascending order. Smallest first. Come to the negatives. Minus 86, minus 27, minus 44. Which is the smallest negative? Negative area में big number is the smallest negative. Minus 86 smallest. Then minus 44. Then 27 is a small. That means negative में it comes next. Minus 27. There is no 0. Come to positive. 35 छोटा है, then 65 bigger one. So this is the answer in ascending order. Okay, finish. Now come to the 7th question. 6th भी हो गया. Coming to the 7th question, but we have arranged the following in the descending order. So 74, question is 74 minus 73 minus 48, 34 and 107. Descending order means bigger one first, एकदम tapering, सीढ़ी से नीचे उतरना है. Smallest number last. First is biggest, then end is smallest. So bigger में we always, now we will have to start with the positive numbers. Ascending में we started with negative, सबसे छोटा, then 0, then positive. In this case, descending में start with positive, descend करो, come to 0, then positive. Okay, then negative. Okay? Now positive से start करते हैं. Which is the biggest number? Positive में 74, 34, 107 में 107 is biggest. Next is 74. Next is 34. Next is minus 73 and minus 48 में which is bigger? Negative area में आ गया तो छोटा number bigger. Okay, minus 48 bigger, minus 73. This is the answer in descending order. Okay? Next sum. 4 minus 84, 72, minus 43, 59 and 0. Start with positives. 4, 72, 59. So 72 is the biggest. Next is 59. Next is 4. Okay, now come to 0. Now come to negative. Minus 84, minus 43. So, छोटा number पहला लिखो. Because smaller one is the bigger one in negative area. Minus 84 is the smallest. This is the answer. So we finished 7th question of 2.1. Now 8th question. Using the number line, write the integer which is 3 more than 5. Okay. So, 3 more than 5. So, start with 5. 3 more than 5. Start with 5. End से start करते हैं. Now, 3 more. More means right side में जाना है. 3 more. तो 3 station को ढक लो गाड़ी को. Train has started. It is going now 3 station. 1, 2, 3. Mark करो. This is the destination station. Bring the train here. Halt it here. Okay, so in the number line we are marking like this. Your answer is 8. Okay, just mark and leave it. 2 more than minus 5. Minus 4. Minus 5. Start with minus 5. 2 more. More means going to the right. Start with minus 5. Train को आगे चालू किया. आगे जा रहा है train. 2 more. 1, 2. Mark it. Minus 3. Bring the train. This is the destination station. Okay, so and minus 5 and minus 3 is the mark. Okay, 5 less than 1. Now start with 1. Train is here. 5 less than 1. Less means come to the left. अभी तक more था, we went to the right. 5 less than 1. So train इधर से start हो गया. Now count 5 stations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It comes to minus 4. Here. It starts from here and ends at minus 4. Okay? So 5 less than 1 is minus 4. It is nothing but 5 less than 1 is nothing but 1 minus 5. What is 1 minus 5? No sign on 1 means it is plus. 1 plus 1 minus है तो difference लेना है. साइन बड़ा नंबर का देना है. So answer is minus 4. Simple है. 4 less than minus 1. First we will solve. Okay. 4 less than minus 1. Minus 1 से start किया. 4 less किया. दोनों सेम साइन है तो ऐड करेंगे. बड़ा नंबर का साइन डालेंगे. Answer should be minus 5. Let us do it on the number line. 4 less than minus 1. Minus 1 से start करो. 4 गाड़ी को चालू किया. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 comes at minus 5. Okay. So this is the train. This comes here and ends at minus 5. Okay. Any doubt? No. It should be clear. Now last sum of exercise 2.1. This is nothing but find the absolute values. Find the value of minus 3. What is the value? Absolute value card. Write the numerical value without a sign. Second one. Minus of minus 10. So this minus is outside. Outside का तो आएगा ही आएगा. Inside का value अलग आएगा answer. Outside का sign will be as it is. So this I wrote in the beginning itself. ये minus में absolute नहीं है. So I put that minus here. Now solve this absolute value. Minus 10 का. So this is the answer. Okay. Absolute value का always positive answer आएगा. ये minus उसके साथ जुड़ गया. ठीक है. Third one. Minus 15 minus 5. So what is the answer? Sorry, it is inside. Okay, I'm very sorry. Minus 15 का absolute value is no sign. Okay, negative का भी positive answer आएगा. This minus sign as it is इधर उतारेगा. Because it is somewhere something outside the absolute value. और ये 5 का absolute value is again 5. 15 minus 5 is 10. This is the answer. Okay. Now D. 0 minus 5. 0 का absolute value is 0. ये minus is outside absolute. Put the minus. 5 का 5 है. अभी दो नंबर है. बड़ा नंबर different sign है. So 0 minus 5 is minus 5. This is the answer. Next. 7 minus minus 4. 7 minus absolute value of minus 4. Sorry, there is no absolute value. So 7 का 7 as it is लिखा. Minus sign को as it is लिखा. Absolute value of minus 4 को answer will be 4. है ना? Now solve it further. 7 minus 4 is 3. Clear? Now next one. Last one. Absolute value of 3 plus absolute value of minus 3. So what is absolute value of 3? 3. Plus को as it is उतराया. Absolute value of minus 3. अंदर है minus. So minus sign will go away. Only the numerical value will come. 3 plus 3. That is 6. This is the answer. With this we end exercise 2.1. Now before doing 2.2, I have to give you some revisions on sign concepts. Addition, subtraction, multiplication में 1 plus 1 minus आया तो what you will do? 2 minus आया तो what you will do? Addition में 1 plus 1 minus I have showed you. Again we will do some practice here and there. Once you are perfect with the sign of numbers in addition, multiplication, subtraction and division, all the exercise in future, that is 2.2 to 2.4, everything will be easy for you. So before doing 2.2, we will do some basic steps. Okay.